I have all 4 corners screwed in. Okay, basic shape is formed. So picturing them up and out. Coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, metatarsus, and tarsus. These might all be rigid, and I might even have to put slight gussets in here. Treadmill belt sander. He's moving. Okay, I got the leg reinforced temporarily. I just put on one of the yokes. Hey guys, what's up? It's day 3. I need 2 discs. Miter table worked as a saw table for this. So now I center drill both at the same time. Awesome. I'm doing twin camshafts on here and they have to go opposing. So I want to do a gear set. Now I watched a video about making gears on YouTube about 8 months ago and some of it made sense. But I'm going to wing it. There's the rough teeth markings, the bolder ones. Let's see if this actually works. Is this the right size? Has to be, right? I got all 8 of my discs. I even got the hole in the center. Well, it'll be the center. I'm going to clean all the bird crap and dust off of them first, and then let them dry. Paint them white. Footboard, headboard are looking right. Time to go back down. So I got the first flange mocked up. Hose clamp. Alright, flange welded on. Got the legs, ankles ready to go. About to put in some brackets. I ditched many of those and went to these. They're not going to be as strong, but as long as they're strong enough. Now I'm preparing some great stuff to see if I can spray this leg with it. Alright, the legs are ready. Okay, time to set the limiting chains to dictate how far the legs can creep forward. The legs fold back, which is cool. It's kind of gruesome. If you ever need to bond styrofoam, great stuff. It works really good as a glue. I put the paper down for a parchment paper. There's frost on my bed sheet. There's a steering lever in action. Turn right, pull back. Most importantly, turn left, push forward. Just add me, some stuffed animals, and a blanket, and I think this thing is show ready.